Could two young girls, born decades after a tragic plane crash, possess detailed memories of that event, including the passengers' names and the plane's layout? The Pollock Twins case remains one of the most compelling and debated examples of potential reincarnation. Today, we'll explore the extraordinary story of the Pollock twins, their uncanny recollections, and the scientific scrutiny it faced. Understanding this case offers a fascinating glimpse into the enduring questions surrounding memory, trauma, and the possibility of lives beyond this one. The story begins in 1954 when a DC-4 airplane crashed near Butterfield, Kansas, killing all 52 on board. Fast forward to 1963, and the birth of Jacqueline and Joan Pollock in Gainesville, Florida. Almost immediately, the twins began exhibiting unusual behaviors, frequently speaking in a language their parents didn't recognize and displaying intense distress whenever they saw pictures of airplanes. Their parents, initially dismissing it as childhood imagination, soon realized the girls were recounting specific details about the 1954 crash. What truly set this case apart was the twins' detailed knowledge of the flight. They accurately identified passengers by name, described the plane's interior layout, and even recalled specific events that occurred during the flight, like a woman dropping a handkerchief. Crucially, the twins had no prior exposure to information about the crash. Their parents actively shielded them from news coverage. This lack of conventional explanation fueled the speculation that their memories originated from a past life. Dr. Ian Stevenson, a renowned psychiatrist specializing in children who claim to remember past lives, meticulously investigated the Pollock twins' claims. He interviewed them extensively, cross-referencing their statements with documented accounts of the crash. Stevenson found a remarkable degree of accuracy in their recollections, including details not widely publicized. Interestingly, the twins also displayed a strong aversion to flying, a fear they attributed to the trauma of the crash, a counterintuitive detail considering they wouldn't have consciously experienced it. But what about the possibility of elaborate fraud or coincidence? We'll delve into that next. Skeptics proposed alternative explanations, suggesting the twins might have unconsciously absorbed information from media or overheard conversations. However, the sheer volume and specificity of their memories, coupled with the lack of any plausible source, made this explanation difficult to sustain. Furthermore, the twins' emotional distress and consistent narratives over years of questioning added weight to their claims. The case remains unresolved, a testament to the enduring mystery of human memory and its potential origins. The Pollock twins case presents a compelling, albeit perplexing, puzzle. While definitive proof of reincarnation remains elusive, the twins' detailed memories and emotional responses to a tragic event decades prior challenge our understanding of how memory functions.